Hello all, it's Paul again. We're revisiting this chrome finish. I was not happy with the result, so I stripped back the last attempt off the faceplate, and we're going to take a different tact today. Alright, so what we're going to do is do a base coat in SMS surface of black. Then, once dry, go to the jet black, and the goal is to get as shiny finish as possible. And then once that's cured, then go for the light dusting of the HYPERCHROME. Apparently the HYPERCHROME reacts with the solid surface on the jet black, and that's how you get the chrome finish. Alright, here we go. Alright, undercoat done in the sequence of black. I've got good coverage. Alright, we'll wait for that to dry. I'll clean the gun off and then prepare for the jet black. Okay, we're back again, ready to do the jet black gloss layer on this. So I'm just going to do one side and then we'll move it around and keep going. Alright, coverage looks good. It's nice and shiny. I'll just let it sit here and cure for a bit and see how we go in a couple of hours. Thank you. Alright, we're just inside. There's no light here, so you can start to see the reflections. So once the gloss goes on top of this, it's going to bring out the reflection quite substantially. So that's the next stage to this. And as I said in the previous video, I'm a lot happier with the way it looks now, but it's still not, it still doesn't look like some of the videos that I've seen online. But this actually comes pretty close to matching the original OEM front face tone when that was a proper electroplating process. So all good. I will mock the faceplate up and show you what it looks like once this is dried. Okay, I've left it about an hour. It's running at about 30 degrees C here out in Melbourne. I'll swing you around and show you the jet black and gloss. Alright, we can see there it's got quite a good shine. Okay, I'm going to spray it now with the HYPERCHROME cold tone. Okay, set the gun to 12 psi. We're ready to spray. Now this is just light dustings, we're told, and it will react with the black. Now I need both hands for this, so I'll just come back when I've got more to show. Alright, so this is a lot better than the first go. I've elected to put a lot more dusting on it. There is a bit of shine, we're just waiting for that to come out. And then I've still got to put the SMS clear coat on top of that. Alright. Okay, that concludes my video for the day. Thank you. And remember, comment, like and subscribe, and enjoy the videos. So basically, the purpose of developing this and finding the chrome substitute is for the restoration stage on the plastics that I'm working with, and electronic equipment. So we're not just restoring the inside of the radios and ancillary products, also the face plates and cases, and learning these skills is all part of the fun in order to demonstrate and share to you guys. Thank you very much. Bye.